Hey guys, so this got announced 2 days ago, so here it is. Perplexity Pro with PayPal. Exclusive for PayPal users, get a full year of Pro completely free when you connect to your PayPal account and choose valid billing method. And why this is huge is because here you can see all the models that Perplexity offers. You can use GPT-5 thinking, Grok, O3 from OpenAI, Gemini 2.5, Claude, Sonar. So this is insane. This is like the value is like, I mean, $1,000 because you can use all these AI engines in this one for free for a whole year. And what you have to do, you'll basically click on this link. The link will be in the description as well. Basically, Perplexity AI join. After that, you will just agree and continue. And the next important part you want to do, you want to cancel the renewal through PayPal because you don't want to be charged $200 next year after this free year. So what you have to do is this. You log in into your PayPal. So go on your profile, account settings. The next thing you want to click is here, payment preferences. And after the payment, you click it, you will just wait. And here on the right here, you will see automatic payments. Just click manage automatic payments and you will basically here on the show active list, you will click see more, and then there you will see the Perplexity AI. Here you can see on the screen how it looks. I already deactivated, so I will not be basically paying when I forget to cancel. And the best part is that you still, after cancellation, you will get the Perplexity for free, Perplexity Pro. And basically that's how you can get this insane AI tool for free. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you find this valuable, press subscribe, press like, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI Alpha AI news like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.